Lifeline ProPlus Advanced Recovery Complex is using pluripotent, non-embryonic human stem cell extracts that support collagen and elastin production, B-complex nutrients, and antioxidants are supporting healthy cell metabolism, reducing irritation, inflammation, revitalizing the skin while improving the tone. Safflower seed oil is repairing the moisture barrier. This product is good for sensitive and sensitized, dull and uneven skin, anti-aging, and dry skin. Is paraben-free and made in the USA. Apply 1 pump all over the face morning or night as your moisturizer.